Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install this ring that shows the battery status around the camera lens. First, you need to open Play Store, search for Energy Ring, install it. And by the way, this is the most satisfying application I have ever installed on my phone. Now open the application, skip, look around what you have installed, and after that try to activate the energy ring. That can be done in the top right corner. That leads you to accessibility. Now open downloaded apps, energy ring, and give the permission. Click I'm aware of the possible blah blah blah. Wait for the seconds and click OK. Here it is, it appears around the front camera lens on our screen. This application works only with phones that have camera under the screen. And now it's time for you to play with the app options, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.